Okay, so this is a continuation of my earlier example on SQL queries. So what I did is I created a table called emp_1, and after that I copied all the contents of the table emp_1 to another table called emp_2. So I wrote a SQL query to create a copy of emp_1, including all its data, and named it emp_2. So now what I'm going to do is, using the emp_2 table, I will write a SQL code that will add the attributes emp_pct and prog_num to emp_2. The emp_pct is the bonus percentage to be paid to each employee. And note that the new attribute characteristics are emp_pct. This is decimal 4,2. That means we are only considering up to 2 decimal places. And prog_num, this is a character, and it consists of 3 characters. In order to do this, what I have to do is I have to alter the table emp_2, and I have to add emp_pct, and I have to add another attribute prog_num. So let me launch MySQL Workbench, and after I launch MySQL Workbench, I will execute this query. Okay, so here is my SQL Workbench, and you can see that I have written this query. Create table employee 2 as select star from employee 1. So basically I created a copy of the table employee 1. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to execute the following query. And I added, if you look at emp_2 table, I've added emp_pct and prog_num. So I added these 2 columns to this table emp_2. Now I am going to use emp_2 table, and I will write a SQL code to change emp_pct value to 3.85 for the person whose employee number is 103. Now in order to do this, I execute the following statement: update emp_2 set emp_pct equals 3.85, where emp_num equals 103. So again, in MySQL Workbench, I execute the query update emp_2 set emp_pct equals 3.85, and where emp_num equals 103. So let me execute this query, and you will notice that, okay, before I execute this query, let me show you the table emp_2. So, and pay attention to employee number 103. Now, if you look at employee number 103, project_num, this field is all empty. I added these 2 fields. If you look at emp_2, I added 2 columns, but there are no entries. So now I'm going to execute this query. As mentioned earlier, before I execute update statement, let me first make sure that we are able to update it. So sets SQL underscore safe updates equals 0. First, let me execute this query first. And after I execute this query, then I execute the update statement and it will work. Now it will work. So I have successfully able to, and in order to see if I have done it successfully, let's look at the table again. Now if you look at the table again, you will notice that emp underscore pct equals 3.85. So I have successfully updated this table. Now what I'm going to do is, using the emp underscore to table, I'll write a single SQL command to change emp underscore pct value to 5 for the people with employee numbers 101, 105 and 107. So again, I execute the following update statement: update emp underscore to set emp underscore pct equals 5, where employee underscore num in 101, 105 and 107. So you can see I am updating actually 3 rows. Okay, so now look at this. I am updating emp underscore pct equals 5 for employee number 101, 105 and 107. So let me execute this statement, and let me look at the table again. When you look at the table again, you will be able to see. So employee number 101, you can see employee number 105 and also employee number 107. All of them are employee underscore pct equals 5. Here is 5, it's 5 and this is 5. So I have successfully executed this query.